Listen to the music. I think all the factory enjoy the same music. This factory manufactures for Ralph Lauren, Polo, Champagne, Lacoste, and Seven Wolves. Your business partner in China. Hello guys, it's Jane. Today we are visiting the largest shirts factory. Let's go inside and have a look. 你好，刘总。
你好。
This is the manager of the factory. 刘总，麻烦你今天带我们看一下。
好。
Here we go. The first step is cut. Okay, right here they are fixing the solid part of the collar. With the solid material of the collar, they will use this machine to make it flat. Hi guys, we are in the workshop right now. I think the boss really loves China. Look at the flags here. It looks like that shirts are very simple products, but actually every single details need very professional skills. Part of the works are automatically done by machines. Look, there's a notice board here showing what is the target today and what they have done and how many returns until now. Look, I found my sister. Well, so what do you think today? If you want to see any other products or factories, leave the message in the comment section.
It's Jen. Love you.